Time's now 5:08 a.m. on your Monday morning. It's hard to believe. Here we are. It is back to school week. Caitlin's going to have plenty more live reports. And Alex, hot and humid, so I guess the kids need to pack some extra water in their lunchbox this morning.
Yeah, and maybe an umbrella too, especially as they head home during the afternoon hours, because we are going to have the threat to see some isolated storms across the area. Yesterday made it up to 95. That's what I'm forecasting again for today, this Monday, August 1st, across central Georgia. Here's a live look across downtown Macon this morning. A fairly quiet morning. After all, it is only a couple of minutes after 5. I suspect this picture will look a little bit different here in about an hour, hour and a half. 76 is what we're doing in Macon right now, and on Wednesday the school buses will be rolling here in Bibb County. 74 in Roberta, 75 in Fort Valley, 77 waking up in Montezuma. We've got more mid-70s down to the south, 78 in Unadilla, 72 in Eastman, and 75 in Vidalia. Now the radar picture, quiet across central Georgia. I suspect it's going to stay this way for several hours, but once we get into the afternoon, that's when things will begin to change. We do have a front up to our north that's providing some rain in parts of Virginia, North Carolina, West Virginia this morning, but that's going to about do it for the southeast. We're not looking at too much additional activity across the area. All of the active stuff is to the north, but as we get into the day today, that is going to change. Watch this here as we get into the noon hour. A lot of sun to go around, quickly into the 90s. This is the recess hour for many, so a hot afternoon. But once we get later into the afternoon, we begin to develop these showers and storms. Here we go by about 5 p.m. when the last buses are coming home. Some heavy downpours will be possible, maybe some frequent lightning, gusty winds. We know how it works here in the summertime. Overall, about a 40% chance of rain today. Could even see a few showers linger into the overnight hours. Future View is picking up on that, but everything we do see will go away by tomorrow morning. So waking up on Tuesday, dry, a few more clouds on Tuesday than we're seeing this morning. Once we get into the afternoon hours, notice the rain chances nowhere near what they are today. Still present, but not as high as they are today. And then once we get into Wednesday, we will do much of the same thing. There we go to about the 6 p.m. hour, just a couple of scattered showers across central Georgia. So over the next 3 days, the best chance of rain is going to be today. Then once we get into the weekend, we're going to keep doing the same thing, scattered showers and storms each and every day here across central Georgia. Now, of course, with August beginning, it means we wrapped up July. We did it with 17 below average days and 11 above average days. So July going down in the record books as, technically speaking, a below average month with above average rainfall by about 3/4 of an inch. Now the humidity each and every day still going to be in the very muggy range. We're going to be on the cusp of it today and then in the ballpark of it as we head into the weekend here in central Georgia. Here's your high temperatures for the day ahead. 95 here in Macon, 94 in Warner Robins, 91 in Forsyth and for Thomaston today. The average high for this time of year is 94 degrees. Here's how it shapes up on the 7-day forecast. Riding in the middle 90s all the way through the week and on into the weekend with a 20 to 40% chance of rain each day. Again, the best chance of rain over the next few days is going to be today, but we'll watch Future View and see how these fluctuate through the week ahead.